Just want to do a quick update on my everyday carry, Glock 19. I did some framework to it. I beveled out the mag well here, and well, mainly the frame, I guess, not really the mag well. It's going to take down the finger grooves, but my fingers fit pretty well in these grooves, so I don't really have any complaints about them. And the trigger guard, but I really don't see any reason to shave down the trigger guard. I think that is kind of pointless. I went ahead and added the back strap medium with the overhang, I guess kind of like the beaver tail style here. I don't know if you've ever shot and actually had a slide run over your hand. It fucking hurts. So when it was on a normal back grip, I felt like that slide came really close to running my hands. And if I was going to be in a situation where I might not have the greatest grip, this here is going to guarantee me that if I do have to make that shot, I don't have to worry about the slide really racking over my hand too much, which I love, because that shit fucking hurts. I need to get a light, and I'm going to get night sights, but I just can't decide which ones I want yet. I like the Glock standard sights, I just hate that they're plastic, and you could pretty much just put this on a countertop and rack it right off. Pretty much on both sights, front and rear. Everything else on this weapon is stock. Stock trigger, stock barrel. The only modifications done would be stippling. Dremeled out the bottom of the frame here, and I added the back strap, just for comfort level. I'll get a couple quick close-ups on this so you can see my handiwork. Seems how the lighting isn't as great as I thought it would be from here, but this is my everyday carry pistol. Alright, we'll do a close-up here on my everyday carry with the back strap and frame mods. Let's see if I can get the light here a little better. Alright, so went ahead and we dremeled out the mag well so that you can get a better purchase on having to rip a magazine out. Went ahead and put the medium overhang back strap on, just because when I do grab a non-backstrap 19, my hand comes extremely close. And if you've ever ran your hand or had a slide run over your hand, it does not feel good at all. Both sides are stippled. Trigger guard stippled here. I left it smooth. Right in here, just because when I did have grip tape in there, ate the shit out of my fingers, and that's just something I didn't want to deal with, because once you stipple it, it's pretty much there unless you sand it off, and I wasn't going to do that. I was going to drum out the finger grooves except for this bottom one here, but decided not to because they just happen to fit my fingers. My stippling's pretty aggressive, but that's my style. I like it. I like to know that there's no movement, no play. I could dunk this in a 5-gallon bucket of oil and grab this and still be able to shoot it without having to worry about dropping it. Everything under the back strap here, actually, all of these, this little block here is actually completely stippled on mine. You just can't see because I back strapped over it. haven't decided if I wanted to try to stipple on this or not. It doesn't feel too bad, but I have yet to go to the range yet. Like I said, all I want left now is my weapon light and my sights. And this thing here should be completely done. And then I can get a 17 and turn that into a nice target range gun. Both these 19s we run Hornady Critical Defense 115s, mainly because that's all that they had on the market at the time to find. There's my painted AR over here. I want to do an update on this, but I just want to wait till I can do it outside because it looks a lot better in the sunlight. As you can tell, the hand grip did not take so well to the paint, or maybe it's just my hands are that aggressive. Oh, I doubt it. So, yep, this bad boy's almost done, and then I can finish piecing together that AR. Alright.